right, good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, or whenever it is that you are watching this. Today is Tuesday, March 24th. I've decided I'm going to start and end each of these little daily videos with an excerpt from this book, Good Morning, Good Night, Little Pep Talks for Me and You, written by Lin-Manuel Miranda and Johnny Sun. So I'm going to start off because each section in here has like a good morning and a good night that goes with it. Oops, hit the microphone. Obviously it's not going to be nighttime by the time we get to the end of this video, but I feel like it's good to have an opening and a closing. So here's today's. Okay. Good morning. Lead with gratitude. The air in your lungs, the sky above you. Proceed from there. There's a little picture of a little sprout. Y'all can see that? I can't see by camera, so. Alright, and then I'll do the good night one when we get to that. Alright. So, today, March 24th, is American Diabetes Association Alert Day. I'm not sure what the alert is for, but it's good to be aware of diabetes. As most of you remember, I have diabetes. Now you're aware, and you're alerted. It's also National Agriculture Day, which is good because we need all the food we can get right now with Corona and everything. It's also National Chocolate Covered Raisin Day, which are like Raisinets, I think, right? At the movie theater, Raisinets, aren't those chocolate covered raisins? Not a fan, but no offense if you are a fan. I'm just not a fan. And then most importantly, hence the picture, it is National Cheesesteak Day. So maybe if y'all can go get like a cheesesteak to go or something, or make one at home. I feel like these are pretty easy to make. You just need meat and cheese and bread. So hopefully you can have a cheesesteak today if you didn't have a tamale yesterday. So I wanted to share some interesting responses from yesterday's assignment, which almost everybody turned in really fast. Good for y'all. So in response to good morning, which most people just put good morning or good morning, Miss Nguyen, and everyone who said good morning, Miss Nguyen spelled my name right, so kudos to y'all. Yep, good morning to you too. I'm tired but living. I am very tired and dragged myself out of bed to do all my classwork. So sad for you. I had to wake up early too. Yo. In response to, how are you doing? How are you feeling? I'm doing very good, but I'm always bored, and if I tell my mom, she tells me to clean, so I just keep it to myself and find something to do. That's pretty relatable. If I ever told my mom that I was bored, she'd be like, how can you be bored? There's so much to do. Do you want to wash the dishes? Do you want to clean this? Do you want to do... No. Not good. Feeling insane so far. It's a very extreme response. I hope you are feeling less insane today. In response to, what did you do over spring break? I got a lot of people just put nothing. I'm sure some of you really did do nothing, but I think most of you were just too lazy to write in a response. So sad. Over the spring break, I went to Mexico, and right now, I'm also currently in Mexico. I believe the news had said that Mexico closed the borders from here to the US, so one could say that I'm trapped. I don't know why you put that in quotation marks. You are quite literally trapped. But at least you have internet and you're doing your assignment, so good for you, and nobody has any excuse, I guess. Not sleep and stay up all night and didn't practice social distancing, touched every dirty item I saw. That's very alarming. I went to Colorado for a few days, but we left early because everything was closed. That's the saddest vacation ever. I did go on a one-day camping trip, but it was like in a log cabin, and we were by ourselves. It was just me and one other person, and it was just us, and we lived together, so it's all fine. We were socially distant in the woods, so that only lasted one day. The rest of my spring break, I was just at home. So, relatable. Okay. So today, I'm going to explain how to use the distributive property for equations. That is a new thing. I don't think it's very difficult. That's going to be a separate video, by the way. It's not in this video. This is just sort of like a good morning, a hello kind of a video. But that's going to be in a separate video here in a little bit. there's an assignment. There's going to be assignment every day, but there's an assignment on equations. Some of the problems will involve distributive property. And so, of course, remember that when you turn that in, you have to also attach your photos of your assignments. Pro tip, if you have the Google Classroom app on your phone, and you can take pictures from your phone and directly upload them from there, I think that might be easier than finagling with your Chromebook camera. Just a thought. This week, we'll be doing equations and angle properties. That's our whole concept for this week. So we're going to do equations for a couple days, and then probably, well, because today's Tuesday, so Tuesday, Wednesday we'll do equations, and then probably Thursday, Friday we'll do angle and triangle properties. That's like external angle theorem and all that fun stuff. All right, and good night, or morning, or afternoon, or evening, or whatnot. So here's the other prompt. Good night. Curl up with gratitude. For the ground beneath you, your beating heart, proceed from there. There's a picture of roots. Because you can't have a sprout or any plants without roots. The roots are very important. So that's that. Okay, that's it for today's video. I'm also going to quickly do and put up a video explaining how to do distributive property. That's it for today. See y'all tomorrow.